Do you have a Weberq BBQ grill? If not, you might be missing out because these grills really are awesome. I just found the perfect grill cart for mine, and this grill cart is worth every penny. I've made several videos about the Weberq BBQ grill, solving the low flame issue that these things sometimes have, and how to use the Weberq with a variety of propane bottles. I'll link to those videos at the end of today's video. I'll also put down in the video description some affiliate links, including a link to this cart. This is the EasiBBQ grill cart, made to fit the Weberq BBQ grills, both gas and electric. If you're looking at one of these grill carts for the larger Weberq grills, be sure to watch for my special instructions that I'm going to show you in just a minute. But first, here's why I love this grill cart. I bought this grill cart to replace the original grill cart for my Weberq, and it stands much taller. The new grill cart stands 30 inches tall, and the old one is only 25. I'm a pretty tall guy. Bending over with this old grill stand was always a problem. With the new grill stand, I think it fits me much better. The EasiBBQ grill stand is completely collapsible. I like how easy this grill stand folds down. Because it has two wheels, this thing is pretty daggone portable too. And to stand it back up, that's pretty easy too. I just put my foot on one side and it pops right back up into place. This grill stand was packaged nicely in the box, and all of the parts were protected by plastic. Assembling the grill stand was pretty easy too. There were just a few simple steps that I had to take. The first step that I took was to install the axle. This axle slides right into the frame of the cart. The next step was to put on the wheels. These wheels just slide right over the axle, and they're attached by two cotter pins. These pins just slide right through the holes. This grill cart also comes with 4 of these little red buttons and 4 springs. To install these push buttons, I simply put in the springs and then clicked the buttons right over top of them. If you have the larger Weberq 2000, you're gonna wanna wait to put these on until after you put the grill on, because they stand just a little too tall to let the grill pass under these lips. Additionally, you're going to want to put your drip pan in now, because you won't be able to get it in there once the grill is on. Even with these out, mine was a little tight, but I worked at it and it went in. With the pan in place and the grill in place, now I'll install these red buttons. This grill cart also comes with this really nice buckle strap. This buckle strap is used to secure the grill to the cart, but it also holds down the lid. Also included with the grill cart is this grill cover. The fabric on this grill cover is much thicker than I thought it was going to be, and the stitching on here looks pretty good too. I also like that it has straps on both sides that are going to keep this thing from blowing away in the wind. Sturdy, portable, and nice and tall. I can definitely recommend this grill cart. I'll be sure to put a link to it down in the video description. Full disclosure, I do earn from qualified purchases. Be sure to check out these other videos about the Weberq BBQ grill. I'm glad you watched today, and I hope you'll watch again.